Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavin's Way. Today I am going to make a different kind of Rava Dosa. For that I have taken half cup of Rava. You can take any kind of Rava, but we are going to grind this. 1 teaspoon of gram flour, besan, 1 tablespoon rice flour, half teaspoon sugar and half teaspoon salt. Salt according to the requirement we can add, and quarter cup curd. Now we will mix the rice flour, gram flour, and we'll grind this together, sugar and salt. The reason for adding sugar and gram flour, you'll get a nice color. This is ground to a smooth powder. Now we'll add the curd in this bowl. Added half cup water. We'll add this powder in this. Mix well. There should not be lumps in it. The curd should not be sour. I will rest this for half an hour. After half an hour, see the consistency of the batter. Now we have to add little water in this to make the dosa batter. Mix well, check for the salt. Now heat the tawa. Drizzle some oil. Tawa is not hot. Tawa is hot. Wipe it with a kitchen towel. Spread the dosa. The dosa should be cooked in medium flame. Drizzle some oil or ghee as you wish and flip it. Time to flip. serve with chutney, sambar, or you can make potato masala. So our Rava Dosa is ready here to serve along with sambar. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.